Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 15 August 2018, 16 of hour, 37 of minute and 23 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is grilled shrimp good for you? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about is grilled shrimp good for you? Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about is grilled shrimp good for you? Health benefits and cholesterol information for grilled shrimp. A. Shrimp is a delicious and healthy protein option, as it is both low in calories and saturated fat. Based on a 4-ounce portion, measured raw, a serving of shrimp contains just 100 calories and less than 1 gram of saturated fat. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.